The world is on the cusp of a new technological revolution. This revolution is unlike any we have seen before, driven by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a concept confined to science fiction or academic research. It is becoming an integral part of our daily lives and industries. This revolution is driven by artificial intelligence. AI is transforming how we approach problems, offering solutions that were previously unimaginable. From healthcare to finance, from manufacturing to customer service, AI is making processes more efficient and effective. Jensen Huang, the CEO of Nvidia, calls this new era the age of AI factories. He envisions a future where AI factories are as common as software factories, producing intelligent systems that can learn and adapt. He believes that every company, not just tech giants, will need AI factories to thrive. These AI factories will be essential for businesses to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. They will enable companies to harness the power of AI to innovate and grow. Just like software factories revolutionized how we build and use software, AI factories will transform how we interact with data and technology. They will automate complex tasks, provide insights from vast amounts of data, and create new opportunities for innovation. This is not science fiction. The tools and technologies needed to build AI factories are already here. Companies around the world are beginning to implement these systems, and the results are promising. This is the reality we are rapidly approaching. AI factories will become the backbone of modern industry, driving efficiency and innovation. They will change the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. The tools and technologies for AI are becoming more accessible and powerful every day. Open-source platforms, cloud computing, and advancements in machine learning are making it easier for businesses of all sizes to adopt AI. This shift towards AI is not just a technological trend. It represents a fundamental change in how we approach problem-solving and innovation. AI is becoming a critical component of business strategy and operations. It's an economic and societal imperative. As AI continues to evolve, it will drive economic growth, create new jobs, and transform industries. The dawn of AI factories marks the beginning of a new era, one that holds immense potential for progress and prosperity. What exactly is an AI factory? Imagine a digital assembly line. Instead of physical products, this factory churns out intelligent algorithms and insights. These algorithms can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions. This has applications in every field imaginable. AI factories are not just about building AI models. They are about deploying, managing, and constantly improving these models. This requires specialized hardware and software. It also requires a workforce skilled in AI development and deployment. Nvidia is at the forefront of this AI revolution. The company has been a pioneer in the field of graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are now crucial for the development and deployment of artificial intelligence. From its humble beginnings, Nvidia has grown into a tech giant, leading the charge in AI innovation. The company is known for its powerful graphics processing units. These GPUs are not just for gaming anymore. They are the backbone of modern AI systems. Nvidia's GPUs are designed to handle the massive amounts of data and complex calculations required by AI algorithms, making them indispensable in the tech industry. GPUs are essential for the complex computations required by AI models. They accelerate the training of AI models, allowing researchers and developers to experiment and innovate at a much faster pace. This acceleration is critical for advancements in fields like natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous driving. Nvidia is not just providing the hardware for AI factories. The company is also heavily invested in creating a robust ecosystem that includes software, development tools, and platforms. This comprehensive approach ensures that businesses and researchers have everything they need to build, train, and deploy AI models efficiently. It is also developing the software and platforms to build and run them. Nvidia's software solutions are designed to work seamlessly with their hardware, providing an integrated experience that simplifies the AI development process. This includes everything from data pre-processing to model training and deployment. Nvidia's GPUs are like the engines that power AI factories. These powerful processors are capable of handling the most demanding AI workloads, ensuring that AI applications run smoothly and efficiently. Whether it's in a data center or an edge device, Nvidia's GPUs deliver the performance needed to drive AI innovation. Its software tools are like the assembly lines that streamline the AI development process. By providing a suite of development tools, Nvidia makes it easier for developers to create, test, and deploy AI models. This streamlined process reduces the time and effort required to bring AI solutions to market. By providing both the hardware and software, Nvidia is making AI accessible to a wider range of businesses. This democratization of AI technology means that even small and medium-sized enterprises can leverage the power of AI to improve their operations, drive innovation, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. The rise of AI factories brings both challenges and opportunities. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for job displacement. However, history teaches us that technological advancements often create more jobs than they eliminate. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the creation of entirely new industries and job sectors. The same is true for AI. While some jobs may become automated, AI will also create new opportunities. These new jobs will require skills in AI development, data science, and AI-related fields. These are high-paying, high-skilled jobs that can drive economic growth. Section 5. Bridging the skills gap: education and training in the age of AI. To prepare for this AI-powered future, we need to invest in education and training. We need to equip our workforce with the skills to thrive in an AI-driven economy. This means focusing on STEM education, data literacy, and computational thinking. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in this endeavor. We need to create pathways for people to enter the AI workforce, whether it's through traditional university programs, vocational training, or online courses. Section 6. DGX Cloud: Democratizing AI for Businesses. Nvidia is making AI accessible to businesses of all sizes with its DGX Cloud platform. This cloud-based service provides on-demand access to the computing power and software needed for AI development. This eliminates the need for businesses to invest in expensive hardware upfront. With DGX Cloud, businesses can quickly spin up AI projects, experiment with different models, and scale their AI efforts as needed. This is democratizing AI, making it possible for even small startups to leverage the power of this transformative technology. Section 7. AI and American Competitiveness: A Call to Action. The development and deployment of AI is a global race. The United States has long been a leader in technological innovation. To maintain this leadership position, we need to embrace AI and invest in the infrastructure that supports it. This includes investing in research and development, supporting AI startups, and creating a regulatory environment that fosters innovation while addressing ethical concerns. By taking a proactive approach, we can ensure that the United States remains at the forefront of the AI revolution. Section 8. The Ethical Considerations of AI Navigating Uncharted Territory. As with any transformative technology, AI raises important ethical considerations. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. This means addressing issues such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the potential impact of AI on jobs and society. These are complex issues with no easy answers. It will require ongoing dialogue and collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, and the public to navigate the ethical challenges posed by AI. Section 9. The Future with AI: A Universe of Possibilities. The future with AI is full of possibilities. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our capabilities and expanding our horizons. From smart cities that optimize energy use and reduce waste, to personalized healthcare that predicts and prevents illnesses, AI is set to revolutionize every aspect of our existence. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and solutions that were previously unimaginable. For instance, AI can help in developing new treatments for diseases by analyzing genetic information and predicting how different drugs will interact with the human body. It can automate tasks, improve decision-making, and create new forms of art and entertainment. In industries like manufacturing, AI can take over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic roles. In the arts, AI is already being used to compose music, generate visual art, and even write stories, pushing the boundaries of creativity. The key is to approach AI with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to using this powerful technology for the betterment of humanity. Ethical AI development ensures that these systems are designed and used in ways that are fair, transparent, and beneficial to all. This includes addressing biases in AI algorithms, and ensuring that AI is used to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. If we do so, the age of AI has the potential to be the most transformative and beneficial era in human history. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can create a future where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously, leading to unprecedented levels of progress and well-being. The possibilities are truly endless, and it is up to us to shape this future for the better.